We're going to move to the washer over here. This is our heat pump combo. Anyone seen this before? No? Oh wow, I'm surprised. Okay, so this released end of last year, second half of last year. It's an 18.5 kilo washer. It's a 10 kilo dryer. It's an absolute unit. You can fit a king size doona in here as well. So you can just, yeah. Who washes a doona? I should be. We all should be, is what I've learned. So it's an absolute unit. It is also a heat pump type dryer, which is the most energy efficient way to dry your clothes. It's the Ferrari of dryers, and it is one of the few ones in the market that is a combo machine, and it utilizes heat pump technology as well. Not only is it the most energy efficient, to really stand by that, it is 10-star energy rating for the dryer as well. Customers are going to love hearing about that. And it dries at low temperatures, so it's going to help protect your clothes in the long run as well. Enough about the dryer. Once again, we've come across another screen in our home. You can't escape them. On this screen, it's very similar to the screens that you saw outside, but it's just a little bit more tailored to using a washing machine. You can see things like how much dispenser you have left, and when or liquid detergent you have left, as well as when you need to perform a self-clean, like a clean on the machine itself. I do want to show you what the connectivity looks like between a phone and the washer. And you can follow along on the tablet. If I look at all of my devices here, I'm going to open up washer. Then I've already got a cycle set up. I'm going to select center washer. Maybe I'm in a different room and I just want to get the washer ready to go. I'll then get prompted on the AI home display and I can press start here. Of course, the washer will start. Now, let's say an hour into it, there's an issue. I'm not in the laundry, there's an issue. There's actually a water leak. I'll mimic that for you now, and I have a water leak sensor here for you.
Water leak detected.
Lovely. If you turn around briefly, you'll see the red lights. Maybe I'm in the living room and I get the red lights notification. I also get a notification pop up on the TV as well as the Family Hub display as well. And that is going to notify me that the water sensors have gone off.